Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to edit music on CapCut. So the first we have to click new project, then choose video or photo that you want to edit. I will choose this one, then click add. Because I want to edit the original music of this video, so I need to mute the sound first. Click on the clip, then swipe and find volume. This one. Click on that, then make the volume to 0. Click checklist. Check mark, back, then click audio, click sound, search for the sound on the search column. I will search horror sound. Choose one of the sounds, then click plus. I will choose this one. I will choose this one. Click plus. Then click play to see the preview. Here it is. We see the duration of the sound is more long than the video, so we have to cut it out. Click on the sound, then click split. Swipe right, then click delete. Let's preview again. Yeah, perfect. So this is how to edit music on CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.